哇哦，桑，
哇，也太突出了吧！
哦，
Hey, what's up? Sam here. Xiaomi has just launched the Mi 11 Ultra, the long-anticipated Android smartphone ever. After I watched the launch event, I would say this is the king of Android smartphones. So in this video, let's take a quick unboxing and look of this unbelievable phone. We just went to the Mi offline store to do this hands-on video. Later, when I buy an official one, and I will do an in-depth review. So subscribe if you haven't. As I just learned from Xiaomi, all Mi 11 Ultra won't come with a charger if you don't choose it when you are ordering. Of course, you can choose it and it's free. Just to give you an idea of how beautiful, how elegant, how premium it looks like, I just put the reactions the first time people saw it.
哇哦，桑，
哇，也太突出了吧！
哦，
这个真的，我觉得挺好看的。
我觉得很有标志性的感觉，一看就知道是小米十，对，一看就是小米11 Ultra，是的，是的。
Yes, we're too excited here and we totally forgot the specs on the spot as we are really astonished by how it looks. But no worries, I'm still walking you through all the specs here. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra comes in just two color options, white ceramic and black. Both the colors look very elegant and premium. The camera housing is in black and covers almost the entire upper half of the device. There are three cameras at the back along with a secondary display that shows you the notifications, battery level, weather, health alerts, and other essential information. There is also a special ultra-low power saving mode that uses this tiny screen to give you up to 55 hours of additional standby time. However, Xiaomi says that the most important function of the secondary display at the back is to allow high-resolution selfies from its rear cameras. Really? I don't take selfies that much. While for the display, it is exactly the same as the Mi 11 Pro, so you get a 4-curved 6.8-inch E4 AMOLED screen on the front with QHD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate. You also have Gorilla Glass Victus protection at the Pro model as well as Dolby Vision support. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra is IP68 certified as well. You also get Harman Kardon stereo speakers. The rest of the hardware is the same as the Mi 11 Pro, so the Mi 11 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 888 with LPDDR5 RAM, 6400 MB per second, and UFS 3.1. You get Wi-Fi 6 enhanced support as well. Coming to the battery, the Mi 11 Ultra features a 5000 mAh capacity battery with 67 wired and wireless charging. One of the biggest differentiations between the Mi 11 Pro and the Mi 11 Ultra is in their camera department. The phone features a powerful triple camera setup featuring the same Samsung GN2 50MP primary shooter, but with two additional 48MP Sony IMX586 ultra-wide and telemacro cameras. The 50MP Samsung GN2 comes with 61 degrees FOV with a very sharp focus thanks to DTOF technology that features 64-point laser area focus system. The 48MP ultra-wide camera comes with a very wide 128-degree FOV, and the third 48MP telemacro camera comes with 5 times optical zoom and up to 120 times digital zoom. The Mi 11 Ultra can capture 8K videos from all the three camera sensors, including the telemacro shooter. Yeah, and that's what the specs it has worked out. And for the price and availability, we just list on the screen. You can check it out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.